Hey besties, and thank you so much for joining me in today's video. I hope everyone is having the best day and the best fall season. I hope you guys are liking the background. I'm like really happy about it. My grandma came in town and she just helped me pick every single thing. She actually even purchased these things for me, and so did my grandpa because they're just so sweet. I tried to, but they were like no. So they're super sweet. I love it. It just reminds me of them now too, like the whole background. So I hope you guys like that. But anyway, you guys, I am so excited to be sharing with you my Colourpop mystery box for 2022. Now this box retails for $49, and I want to say you get 13 full-size items. And you guys, I have some good news, or at least it's good news for me, and I hope you guys also see it as good news because I wanted this for so long. But Colourpop has finally added me to their PR list, which I am so grateful. I have wanted to be on their list for like years, ever since I got into reviewing and trying out makeup. And even before that, you guys, my first ever YouTube video, or at least one of them, was on the Strawberry Fields Colourpop collection, because back when I was like 17ish, 18, that was honestly like one of the only brands I could afford, and they have such good products. But anyways, on to this, because I know this is what you guys are here for. Let's go ahead and start the mystery box. As you guys can see, I have not opened it up yet because I've been waiting for you guys. So let's jump into it. And the box is actually called their Spooky Secret Mystery Box. The first thing I see is the So Juicy Lizzie McGuire Colourpop Plumping Gloss. I love plumping glosses, so this to me I'm happy to get, but let me see the color. Oh, so it's like a clear gloss. Okay, and it's kind of in the tube. I'm not the biggest fan of like tube glosses, but you guys know that. It has like little glitters in it, which I do think is cute. But again, I'm not the biggest fan of like the tube glosses. And let me see. It really doesn't have a scent to it, which I know a lot of people would like, but personally me, I just really don't like tube glosses. You guys know this, I say it all the time. So for me, this won't be my favorite thing out of the box. Ooh, but I do love the Fresh Kisses, and this one is in the shade, y'all know my vision is so bad, Freshest. It's in the shade Freshest. Ooh, and that definitely looks like a shade that I would rock in the fall time, or honestly just throughout the year. I'm gonna give it a little swatch right here. Ooh, that is beautiful. Beautiful. So I am not mad to get this in the box. I love the shade, and I love how comfortable the Fresh Kiss lip creams are, so I'm super excited to get this. The next product we have is a liquid liner. This one looks to be a very beautiful green color called The Hills. I do have the new liners that they came out with, but I actually heard that these are supposed to be a little bit easier to work with, and that you can get a little bit more of like a precise line. And I totally understand like doing green for like spooky season, so I do love that. Let me go ahead and give that a swatch next to the lipstick. And yeah, that looks very pigmented. I'm so excited. I think this is actually the thing I'm most excited about so far. So I will keep you updated as far as how it wears and just, you know, the quality of the product and like other videos. And then we have this lash weenie, which I really just fell out, which I really prefer over the lash that I got in the last mystery box. That was to me not even a lash. You could get it with the look of mascara, but I really love how that lash looked. Sorry it fell out, but I really like these. And then we have the Feather Effect brow pen, which I've never tried this before, so I'm happy to get something new to try out. And this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a few strokes just so we can see. I don't think I've ever tried a brow pen, so it might be like a learning curve for me, but we will definitely try to make it work, and I will keep you guys updated. I'm excited to get something that I've like literally never tried as far as like makeup techniques, but I just don't know if I'll be any good at it, so we'll have to see about that. And then we have the two hair clips from Powerpuff Girls, which I love hair clips, especially when I'm like doing my skincare or makeup, because I like to pin my hair back, you know, so it doesn't get all messy. So this is cute to me. I will get use out of it. It's cute, you know, just like a fun little thing to get in there. I would have preferred makeup, but I'll take it, I guess. Then we have this So Dangerous Cream Luxe Lipstick and Lippy Pencil. Okay, so this is the lipstick color. Very pink. Very, very pink. I would prefer to use a shade like this with a brown lip liner to really, you know, bring it down just a little bit, but that is very gorgeous and so pigmented. But when I do swatch the lip liner, it is a bit deeper than the lipstick, which again, I do prefer for a shade like that. But if you guys like this and just want to wear it on your own, I think that's also super cute. Look at all these swatches, you guys. I will say I don't think this is like the most spooky color, but low-key I kind of like getting something like this opposed to like a black or orange, to be honest, so I'm happy about it. Ooh, and then of course they included a palette. This one is called the Plush Like Me. Thankfully, I don't already own this one. This is what it looks like, and I do think with the color it is giving fall. And even kind of with the designs, ooh, and it has like a nice texture to it too, which I really like that. Here are the shades, which I do see fall when I do look at this palette. So I'm very happy about this. I'm excited to see what kind of looks we can create. But more than anything, you guys, I think this is a gorgeous, gorgeous packaging situation here. Is this another palette? I think we got another palette. So this is the Witchy Hour Pressed Powder palette. I'm really excited that we're getting two palettes, and I love purples and oranges together. So I'm kind of hoping before we open it that there are purple and orange shadows in here. Yep, we have some purple, we have some orange, we have some like yellow gold, some green in there. I really enjoy this palette. I think both are awesome, and I'm really happy to get both, and I can't wait to see the quality on these bad boys. And then we got something from Bambi. If you guys don't know, I love the movie Bambi, so I am very happy about this. These are beautiful. Wait a minute. Let me take them out and swatch them, because these are like, are these my favorite thing? I don't know, you guys. I'm having like a few favorite things so far, so let me just chill out. This one, okay, that one doesn't really give a lot of color, but the sparkle on it is gorgeous. Okay, this one is called Bambi. I love Bambi. And this one looks like more of like a sheer sparkly purple, which obsessed. Put that right there. Yeah, this one swatches pretty much like clear, but it does have a little tint. And that one is called Flower. Oh, it's like taking me back with like the nostalgia. Thumper, and this one is Thumper. That is so freaking cute. How did I miss that collection? I don't even remember that one. So none of these are really opaque, but they do have really beautiful sparkles to them. And I am very happy to have them, if not for anything else, just because it's literally Bambi and I really love the packaging of them. But the colors are also beautiful. I do just want to see how it looks on the lips. Let's go ahead and just for funsies put the purple one. Really gorgeous purpley shimmers or glitters. And then we have another eyeshadow palette. This one is called Citrus Fizz, and I really love the quads from Colourpop, so I'm very happy to get this one. I do not have this color story yet, but I think it is beautiful, and it's definitely something I would take with me on a trip, you know, vacation, because you could really keep it very subtle and simple, or you could kind of glam it up if you did want to go intense with that brown. So I really enjoy this one. Oops, so we have two more things. We have a Glitterly Obsessed in the shade Homecoming. I'm not the biggest fan of the Glitterly Obsessed, to be honest. Like, it's just not my favorite formula, but I will say the color is stunning. It's stunning. That's the thing. They're so beautiful to look at, but I just really don't like the application process and the texture of these, and it's just not my favorite. But look at how pretty. I do, however, like the jelly much, so I do kind of wish we would have got that instead, but I will say it's beautiful, and if you were doing a really creative Halloween look, this could come in handy for you. I just don't know if it will come in handy for me. And last but not least, we have a blender, which I don't know if I've ever tried a Colourpop blender, to be honest. I'm like working to get it out. To me, I think is cute. It could have been like orange or black, and that would have been a little bit more fun, I think. Like a really bright orange or really like, you know, blackest black. I think that would have been amazing, but this is cute and I will get my use out of it. So I am gonna look through everything. Let's do my top 5 products to share with you guys, and you guys also comment down below what your top 5 items that I received were. The number one thing I'm excited about getting in the box would have to be the palettes. I love that one is really taking it there with the Halloween spirit, and the other one, I feel like this is very much more like fall vibes, which I do appreciate, and they just both made me happy and kind of got me in that spirit. So I do prefer these. I would say number 1 for sure in the box. I love both of them. Number 2 would have to be the Bambi Trio. I love all of these, but specifically the purple one I think is just stunning. You could even argue that that one is very like spooky season because of the fact that it is purple, and that's one of like the Halloween colors. So I do love this. I can't wait to put all of them on the lips. I love how juicy, but also how glittery and pretty they are. They're not the most pigmented glosses, but they do have a really beautiful shine, and you can see the color, like the purple glitter in it very easily, which I don't know about on camera, but I'm telling you in person you can see the purple glitter. So for me, this is gonna be number 2. Number 3 would have to be the Oh My Lippy Pencil. I am just falling for the color the more I look at it. The more I cannot wait to put it on the lips. I feel like it's very beautiful, kind of like romantic. I really enjoy this shade, and I feel like it's gonna make a good addition to my collection. Number 4, I would say the Hills liner. I'm so excited to not only use this for Halloween, but also for Christmas, because it's that really beautiful dark green color that I think I could incorporate for honestly the rest of the year. So I love this color as well. I will be getting my good use out of it. The only reason I didn't put it higher on the list is because I know the quality of the lip liners, I know the quality of the the Luxe lip glosses, and I also know the quality of most of the eyeshadow palettes. So I don't know the quality of this, so I just need to try that out for myself. But if the quality of the product is amazing, the formula is great, I don't have any smudging or issues, it's long lasting, all that good stuff, it would have been higher. I just don't know anything about the formula yet. And I can't pick between the 2 of these. I feel like the falsies are going to be so beautiful for like a natural everyday looks, but I also feel the same way about the Citrus Fizz eyeshadow palette. I think this is going to be beautiful for those minimalistic makeup look days when you're doing a little bit of eyeshadow but not too much. And again, like I said earlier, you can, you know, amp it up if you want. So I love getting both of these items as well. Not to say like the other items are bad or anything, these are just the ones that really did stick out to me if I was only doing top 5, you know. And the only 2 things I'm not extremely excited about are the gloss from Lizzie McGuire and the Glitterly Obsessed. Other than that, I did like the box. Maybe it could have been a little bit more, you know, spooky. Maybe gave us like a really bright red intense lip. That would have been cool. But I do like the things I got in the box. I'm so excited to hear your thoughts and opinions on the box down below. And if you did like this video and you want to see more mystery box unboxings, definitely like, comment, subscribe, all the good stuff. And I will see you in the next one, besties. Bye!